What's going on, guys? Happy Sunday. Gonna make this video super short and sweet and get straight to the point, and I hope that I earn your thumbs up. The first thing that you should be aware is that this Wednesday, which is July 13th, the CPI data report is going to be released. Again, CPI data report last month showed that inflation did not peak. The market aggressively dropped the last time this inflation report came out, from getting really close to the EMA line, which we've been testing. This is a NASDAQ ETF for those that, I can actually just go to QQQ. TQQQ is triple leverage, QQQ is single leverage, right? We are at the EMA line. This is what I call a critical point. There is no, it's not in my best interest to encourage anyone to be selective, right? I want the market to go up, but I also want you guys to be aware of a critical level. I would hate for you to buy right now, just like every other time, right? Where it's at EMA and then it just gets rejected. This is a really big week. Again, CPI data report, 1 hour before the market opens on Wednesday. We're at the EMA line. This resistance level has been present since the beginning of 2022. I don't think your plan should change. My plan has not changed on the long-term positions that I'm taking. I am making this video so you at least can prepare in advance. I think everyone should be given that chance, right? I think right now that if you are invested, you should just have a position size or a dollar amount invested in which you can tolerate even if the market does pull on back. That's why I'm making this video. I was gonna do my Sunday stock talk just like we normally do, but instead of hoping that stocks continue to go up, there's no reason to really prepare this upcoming week if it's a huge week. Now, this could be really, in my opinion, a pivotal moment for the overall market where hopefully we can begin to recover. But the past 7 months, they've been bearish, and we've been getting rejected every single time at the EMA. Rejected, rejected, rejected. We did break above it for a short period of time. Russia attacked Ukraine. Rejected, rejected. Last CPI data report, rejection and new lows. So again, I think it's a great thing to plan and to be invested in long-term positions. I just think that your position size should reflect current market conditions, and that's why I'm making this video. Prepare in advance, not that the market has to crash or that the market has to pull on back, but even at worst case scenario, I just want you to put yourself in a position that you can simply tolerate, right? And it's much easier to tolerate red days when you're not as aggressively invested. Even if the market does begin to indicate signs of an uptrend, I can always buy back in at a later time. There's so much upside potential. Again, the goal is never to be perfect. I will never be a perfect trader. You will never be a perfect trader. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is just to put yourself in a position that even at the worst case scenario, you can still think and act rationally. And that's why I'm making this video. So again, if you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, make sure that you set your alarms for tomorrow at market open for our live trading session. And I'm excited to see how the market ends up performing right now. NASDAQ futures are in the red, but we've seen them in the red many times, and then they can open up in the green. It wouldn't really surprise me that for the next 2 days leading up to Wednesday, that the market's probably going to trade sideways to maybe a little bearish, especially with this resistance. Wednesday's just going to be a huge day. And if it's anything like the last CPI data report, we traded sideways for about 3 days leading up to that CPI data report. And then it was finally released and we went bloop, right? Even if we do go bloop, again, just put yourself in a position you can tolerate. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for our live trading session. If you guys want to join us, then again, feel free to click that second link down below. It's still $100 off the Learn Plan Profit 2.0. You get lifetime access to our A to Z video lesson library, daily live trading sessions, private Learn Plan Profit group chat, and of course, you get access to the TechBuds HQ. It's all inclusive. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. And if you're ready to join our team, then again, it's that second link down below for one of our biggest sales that we offer, and that's $100 off. If you have any questions you would like to ask me before you sign up, feel free to message me via Discord, and that's that first link down below. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.